What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. And then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, as always, we have a fantastic video in store for you to continue giving you updates on what's going on with cryptocurrency, what's going on with Bitcoin and the various altcoins that we have been studying, that we have been dollar cost averaging in for the past 3 months, 12 months. Some folks been dollar cost averaging in for the past 3 years. Nevertheless, we are approaching and in the midst of one huge, massive reset. Cryptocurrency is starting to reset. A lot of our altcoins are starting to reset from where they were back in January 2024. And like I mentioned to you before, that was the beginning of the first baby altcoin season. And you guys know how that thing ran all the way up until March 2024. That was just 2.5, 3 months. So we're going to talk about what's in front of us as far as the traditional altcoin season. We know that thing lasts way longer than 2 months, what we experienced earlier this year. So we're going to talk about those things and a host of other things that what we should be preparing ourselves for up through the next 12 months, 18 months, whatever it is. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently right now, Bitcoin is sitting strong at $64,300. The Bitcoin dominance is holding strong, holding steady at 56.3%. Fear and Greed Index is solid as a rock at 51. The ticker symbol is 51 for the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index for cryptocurrency. Great position. Some folks are still on the fence, but in the next few days, they will be off the fence. Everybody in particular probably will be on the bullish side. So always good to see. Ethereum is continuing to pump. Ethereum is $2,655. Ethereum dominance is 14.1. So like I said, we are in the midst of having one massive reset before altcoin season. We know altcoin season have not arrived yet. The official altcoin season is what we have been waiting on for years, for months. The Bitcoin halving was in April. We've seen spot Bitcoin ETFs. We've seen Ethereum ETFs. We are waiting for the doggone altcoin season. We have been instilling and participating and putting out so much patience as we possibly can. Now we are just waiting on the reward. Large institutions are moving billions of dollars into cryptocurrency right now. There's a lot of things going on behind the scenes that they're not putting on the news because, believe it or not, even the news don't even know what the heck is going on. They're a little bit blinded to this Bitcoin cryptocurrency phenomena that has been going on for years. This didn't just start this year. It didn't just start last year. This has been going on for years. We'll be talking about 13, 14 years since the inception of Bitcoin. So it didn't just start this year. But nevertheless, we're in the midst of having mass adoption. Mass adoption is one of the things that I've been hearing ever since I've been in the cryptocurrency space since about 2018. Never knew what it would look like, but nevertheless, we are starting to experience mass adoption. Years when I got into it, a lot of the banks, they were against crypto. A lot of the politicians was against cryptocurrency. And nevertheless, a lot of the countries were against cryptocurrency. Now you're seeing on this particular day, so many large institutions are believing in cryptocurrency. These guys understand that cryptocurrency is where you can make exponential gains. So that is what they are positioning themselves for. They want to turn that 1 billion into 20 billion. You know, they have never been able to do that before. They haven't been able to do that in Apple, in Microsoft, been able to go a 20x in a matter of 12 months or 18 months or something like that. So these guys are not only in Bitcoin, they're also playing around in the various altcoins. That's what I'm saying. This is probably going to be a super cycle. A lot of things are going on behind the scene that we're just not privy to. Nevertheless, we're going to stick to the script, trust the fundamentals like we've been doing, and lock in and stay loaded and trust that we've been dollar cost averaging in to some great plays. Some of the most powerful people in the world of finance own cryptocurrency right now. These are some of the guys that was against cryptocurrency. Jamie Dimon, all these guys, BlackRock, they was against cryptocurrency the past few years that we've been in cryptocurrency, but they've been seeing that this thing is solid. We went through COVID-19. We went through FTX falling. We went through Voyager falling. Nevertheless, cryptocurrency Bitcoin is still standing up, still standing strong. Nothing tanked. Bitcoin is just continuing its trajectory. Every 4 years, it's solid as a rock. These guys know what's going on. These are some of the smartest guys in finance in the world. They're jumping in it. That means we are in the right place for us to make exponential gains as well. These guys will not allow cryptocurrency to lose because their customers, clients, have their money in it. So they can't go back to their clients and say, you know what? Remember I was telling you about cryptocurrency? Well, Mr. John Doe, you've lost money. They clients don't want to hear that. So they got to make sure that they come back with great positive reports and results to their clients, so their clients can say, I appreciate you introducing us to cryptocurrency, introducing us to Bitcoin, and that will continue to allow, or where the public can have a positive sentiment now on cryptocurrency. Because in the past, the public sentiment has been cryptocurrency is not for me. Cryptocurrency is a scam. I don't want to lose all my money. So once they see, damn, I done made more money in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency than I have over the past 10 years, they're going to love it. Cryptocurrency mass adoption is happening as we speak. So not only that, the doggone 4-year cycle that Mr. Satoshi have set up have been one of the most genius things that the world have ever seen. It's still running. It's still running like clockwork. It's like nothing that could happen in the geopolitical realm that could stop this doggone 4-year cycle that Mr. Satoshi set up. So out of sight things that are going on right now in cryptocurrency. We got companies like PayPal. We've been using PayPal for years to send money, to receive money. Now PayPal, most recently the past few years, now have become crypto friendly. You'll see a button on PayPal to where you can invest in cryptocurrency. You can send money in crypto, receive money in crypto. Venmo got a doggone cryptocurrency button. Cash App, everybody uses Cash App. Cash App even got a cryptocurrency button to where you can buy various cryptocurrencies now. So cryptocurrency, the exposure of cryptocurrency is very large right now. Folks who is on PayPal, who's on Venmo, who's on Cash App that would normally not have exposure to crypto, these guys are exposed to cryptocurrency right now. So mass adoption is happening. Mass adoption is happening. The SEC is becoming more cryptocurrency friendly. These politicians are starting to gravitate towards cryptocurrency. Russia is starting to become crypto friendly. And nevertheless, China is crypto friendly now. For years and years, we've been hearing all the FUD from China. China would come out every 9 months and say, we're banning crypto. And whenever China say that, the crypto market tanks. So for China to be crypto friendly right now, that is one of the most bullish signs and signals yet. Whether you guys believe it or not, I've been in this doggone thing for 2018. I've seen when China put the news out there to where they are saying that China is banning crypto. Whenever that happened, crypto tanks. So the fact that China is being receptive towards crypto right now is a huge sign, along with all the other positive signs and catalysts that I just mentioned. So a lot of macro developments are happening right now. Super cycle is definitely, in my opinion, is going to happen. That things are just lining up too perfect for it not to happen. Presidential candidates for the first time are receiving donations in cryptocurrency. That is huge. That is so monumental to be having both the presidential candidates, Republican and Democrats, in the largest or the most powerful country in the world to be receiving donations to fund their campaign in cryptocurrency. That's massive. That's huge. We know that October is typically the one of the most bullish months. Quarter four is going to be out of sight. If you look at the 7-day chart, I'm looking at Bitten Sword, TAO. That thing is up 70% in the past 7 days. I'm looking at SEI. That coin is up 60% in the past 7 days. Sweet coin up 50%. Come on, man. In the past 7 days, 50%, 70%, 60%. Hopefully y'all strapped up. Hopefully y'all got y'all seatbelts on, helmets on. Like I say, I'm the coach. I could call the play, but I can't get in the game and run the ball for you. I've been calling these doggone plays for the past year or so. Hopefully some of y'all been getting some skin in the game, got your helmet on, got your number on your back, because I need the fullbacks, I need the running backs, I need the wide receivers, and I need the defense for when we have corrections along the way. But nevertheless, hopefully we've been dollar cost averaging in, trusting the process, and getting ready for this parabolic bull run that is right before us. I really don't want you guys to miss out on this once in a lifetime opportunity to where you can really place yourself in another tax bracket, financial freedom, new cryptocurrency millionaire, all that good stuff that comes with the 4-year cycle. Nevertheless, this is going to be a super cycle. This may be the last time for this doggone 4-year cycle to really see a parabolic run. So really want to make sure we're taking advantage of the opportunity that is right here before us. But like I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.